Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install a flip-up steering wheel. Alright guys, with the black dash in, I might as well go ahead and finish up the rest of my interior. So I'm going to show you how to remove the factory steering wheel and install an aftermarket one. Now before you start, remember, please disconnect your battery or find the fuse that's for the airbag so this thing doesn't go popping off on your face. Obviously mine has a kill switch, battery is dead, so yes. There are two T30s over here, one and then two. There is a little cover that kind of goes on. If you have cruise control, I'm not sure how you remove it, but with mine I just kind of had to press it up, pull it out, and then there's another T30 right there. So let me go ahead and remove those and then we can take the airbag out. Alright, so once you have both T30s out, you should just be able to pull out. Then right there is the airbag wire. So just go ahead and kind of pull down on this clip and it should release it. There you go. And simple as that, no more airbag. Once the airbag is out of the way, just go ahead and disconnect this clip right here. So that way when the wheel comes out, that can just slide right on through. Go ahead, take your 14 millimeter. Pull that out. And then, well, we're going to have to start beating the wheel out. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to just kind of put the bolt back in, a little bit of thread, not all the way, and then just kind of start beating on the back of the wheel until it pops forward. The bolt is so it doesn't come flying at you in the face. Right, I was able to beat it loose, take that back out, and go. Alright, now that I have the wheel out, the hub I have does not maintain or keep the clock spring, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a Phillips, take that out. Good. Is there one more somewhere? Make sure. Get the cable. Oh, sure enough, right there, one more. Right. Then you're going to want to go ahead and take your NRG hub, put it on. There we go. Replace your 14 millimeter bolt. Give it about a couple of ugga-duggas. And then that's the short hub. Okay, so I'm not using a quick release per se. I'm using a flip release. So for this one, all I got to do is flick this one up. Steering wheel pops up and I can slide on out. So yes, obviously if you're using the horn, just connect what you got to connect, but I'm not using a horn. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the supplied Allen heads and start mounting it. Okay, so for the wheel, I was actually super lucky and I was able to come across this Greddy wheel from a buddy of mine. Now you're wondering, why is the Greddy wheel so important? It's not important, but this is a VTEC Club cross Greddy steering wheel, and yeah, there was only 50 of them made. I was able to come across this. He didn't really want to use it himself. He used it for a little bit. He didn't really like the suede or whatever, so he went ahead and sold it to me at what he bought it for. I didn't have to pay for that ridiculous eBay prices they're going for it. So just gonna go ahead and take the supplied hardware of the little nuts or Allen heads, and then I'm gonna put this on. But once again, you don't need to see all of this. You guys know how to install Allen heads, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, and that is how you install a flip up steering wheel along with a aftermarket steering wheel. Now you can also follow these steps to install a normal hub without a quick release or a hub with the quick release. It's all the same method. I will leave links in the description down below on where I ordered my stuff, but it's basically all through Amazon. As you all are well aware, I am building this car basically as cheap as possible. Now with cheap products, mind you, just with places that sell parts cheaper. So until next time guys, later.